Hey guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance update for our Binance challenge, Binance and MXC challenge now, incorporating 3Commas as a very useful tool. But yeah, smash that like button and we will go straight over to the chart. So so I've actually put a little Binance orange next to the Binance coins, and then we've got a little MXC green next to the MXC coins. So yeah, you can see that they are obviously well, it's good. This is why I wanted to have the MXC, because we can see Anchor, which is one that we bought. Well, these are the coins we bought, up 13%. That one's flat, up 14%, 15%, and 11% in the past. Past day. So obviously that's performing pretty well, especially if we compare that to a lot of our Binance coins that are clearly not doing as well. So that was the reason why I said some of these coins I've got to get over to MXC, because MXC is doing all right. So yeah, our winning total so far is this. So we're on 1.03 Bitcoin. We were up a bit more earlier. I think we were nearly 1.06, but yeah, had a bit of a pullback in some of the coins. But yeah, so it is all overall going on okay. We have also set up the 3Commas bots. Yeah, we set up the 3Commas bots as well. All of them. I finished doing all of those. Got these taking profits trades going on here. And then we also have, let me just go over to all my bots so you can see all my bots that we've got going. We have got all of them set up, look, so we've got the REN, the RLC, the Elron, the Carver, the Synthetics, the Kyber Network, the 0x, the MCO, the Cosmos, the Engine, the Avelend, and the Decentraland bots. They're all on up and running. These doing orders and take profit orders. These ones aren't. Yeah, that's all up and running. Just looking through there. It's been a bit of a mixed bag today. Had some big moves in RLC, had a big pump up, but it's subsequently retracing. So yeah, that was obviously the short that it took here. I say it's a short. It took some profits. It obviously would have been better taking them off up here, but yeah, sometimes it works out better. Take them off there and we come all the way down. Take them off there and we come all the way down. It's just is what it is. Not all the trades are going to be great. Takes them off there and we came down. Let me just see how much that did come down by. Yeah, not far off 10%. So I may have to look into adjusting these parameters, but it's not like I don't have to jump back into these coins anyway. I can leave them for a bit, see if they do come down further. We'll still have a lot of the trades on, so that's kind of how I'm looking to operate that. So yeah, all in all, pretty quick update on that. We've got the 3Commas, all the bots set up. We have got all our bags full. MXC is going okay. No whatchamacallit, no API to MXC. And yeah, and then we did our tutorial video talking about this indicator and how this was working and what we were doing here. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to share with you guys. That's the quick Binance update. So yeah, I've got the Bitcoin analysis video coming pretty soon, so watch out for that, and I will catch you guys on the next one.